All these couples fight all day.
Hey! Hello, this is Dani Rocky. I'm a curvy model and a makeup artist.
Hi, my name is Rafael Aymar. I am a French actress, so I'm not a makeup artist at all.
And today we're actually doing a beauty challenge. Oh, Black Swan.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Let's see how it goes.
Let's start.
Let's do it.
Wait. We have
What?
a pop culture quiz.
I hate quizzes, oh my god.
If you guess the right answer, you'll have a bonus. But if you don't, you'll have a malice.
Oh my god. So we have to answer questions while we do our makeup.
Oh my god.
Are you ready? Okay, question number 1. How many people were there in the Spice Girl?
There's like Sam, Alex, and Clover. Oh, the Spice Girls. I thought about the Totally Spice.
Oh my god, so you get a malice. She get a malice, I think, right?
I must proceed my makeup with my opposite hand.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna ask you the second question.
Okay.
Before fighting fame, Kim Kardashian once worked as an assistant for which?
Paris Hilton. Of course. I get a bonus. Your opponent must proceed with their opposite hand. So you go back to your right hand.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I actually helped you.
What is Lady Gaga's real name?
No.
Who knows Lady Gaga's real name?
Okay, I'm sorry. Nana.
Okay.
You can no longer use a mirror. For how long? This is very difficult.
Actually, you do a very good work.
Actually.
You've been cheating.
How many total members have been in the group of Destiny's Child?
What is Destiny Child?
Beyonce started with that group. I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it.
Okay, I didn't know.
That's
All
Destiny's
right.
Child.
I'm
gonna make it, I'm gonna survive, keep on surviving. Okay, my malice. Your opponent chooses a malice for you.
I choose that you won't be able, I'm sorry, to ask anyone help.
Oh my god. You're so mean.
I'm sorry.
You're so mean.
Okay, this is the wrong way. I'm gonna take everything off and I'm gonna try another act. Okay, what movie has the best-selling soundtrack of all time?
Titanic, for sure. Titanic.
I think it's The Bodyguard.
The Bodyguard? No way. I will always love you.
I get a bonus! I can use the help of a MUA. So I'm gonna ask for help.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. I need to have a white face, like Natalie Portman.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, how fun it is to hear all these couples fight all day. Hey! God, it took so much time. Voila, so we're ready for Versailles. So we are Marie Antoinette. Hi.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Okay. Nice.
What am I going to do now? What is Britney Spears' biggest hit song of her career?
Oops, I did it again. I played with your heart. Yes, got lost in the game. No? No? Yeah, I was gonna say that. You're done with your lips.
I'm ready to kiss you. This is serious here. This is getting very serious. What is Spider-Man's middle name?
What? Peter Benjamin.
Okay,
We're safe. Next is the vote.
No malice for
Next
this
question.
one.
What's the longest running TV series? Friends. No?
Tom and Jerry.
No. The Simpsons. You want to read the next one? I forgive you, okay?
How many adopted kids does Angelina Jolie have? 3.
Adopted? 2.
Hey!
3?
I would like to be like a witch right now and make like a... I have a bonus and it says that you can no longer use your mirror.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not fair.
It's gotta be funny.
Okay, can I use yours, please? Let me just...
Are you panicking right now?
Yes.
Are you panicking right now? I started the colors. I started to put some green. Maybe it's in the colors.
yeah, I feel like I'm getting, you know, the character. And that's nice. Who is the first and so far only Disney princess with a tattoo?
Pocahontas.
Pocahontas.
Pocahontas. Oh, okay. Oh, whoa. I love the different colors you used.
I am trying to use a different
Okay, so
texture
you-
and colors.
Okay, I'm done. I don't touch nothing no more.
Me too. Lashes time.
Yeah. Okay, let's do.
I like to use like normal tweezers.
Oh my god.
Come on, you're doing a good job.
It feels good.